This next problem that I'm going to show you is 2 whole and 1/3 multiplied by 5. So on this one I'm going to go ahead and draw 2 whole and 1/3. There's one group. 2 whole and 1/3, 2 whole, 1/3, 2 whole, 1/3. There's 4 groups. Last one, 2 whole and 1/3. I'm going to go ahead and shade really quick. So 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, 1 whole, 2 whole, 1 whole, 2 whole, 1 whole, 2 whole, 1 whole, 2 whole, 1 whole, 2 whole. When I go ahead and take my partial amount, which would be right here, I'm going to move it into the first one. So I'm going to draw an arrow right there. So I'm going to go ahead and put that one right there. Then I have this one right here. I'm also going to move up and put right there. So that one is now filled in. Then I'm going to take this one right here, move it right there, fill it in. I'm now going to go ahead and cross off so I don't use again this one, and this one. Now I can go ahead and total up how much I have. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 holes. And I have 2 out of 3 holes left when I drew my picture model. When I go ahead and take 2 whole and 1/3 times 5 whole, I'm going to go ahead and do my check mark method to change my improper fraction, which means I multiply by the denominator, add through the numerator. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7 over that denominator of 3. Multiply by 5 whole, so I can put that as 5 over 1. 3 times 1 is going to give me 3. 7 times 5 gives me 35. When I go ahead and take 35 divided by, whoop, that was a really big 5. 35 divided by the number 3. 3 goes into 35 11 times to give me the number 33. 5 ones take away 3 ones, leaves me with 2. So I'm going to get 2/3 as my remainder. So I see that I got 11 2/3 when I did the multiplication on this, in addition to when I drew my picture model. So I know I did this correctly.